In this video, we are going to be analyzing Nvidia ticker NVDA. Now, to get straight into it, we're currently setting up about 3% as we're recording this video. Now, what is key for this, we will be using our standard deviation channels. On the left, we have a 6-month. On the right, we have a 1 year. Now, what's key to be paying attention to on this is obviously our 52-week high is around that 281.35. That did happen in the pre-market. That's why it says we have hit our 52-week high today. So that is key because, again, it's showing strength. We do keep coming into this first deviation but pulling back. So to me, what my main focus would be is looking at this 289, waiting for a move to here. I'll probably play a few contracts short. Oh, well, just buying puts by that. I mean, the reason for that is, again, we do keep coming back to it. So again, that is kind of showing strength. We could potentially break out, but the reason I'm buying the puts is we do keep pulling back. So if we end up breaking through, kind of snapping through, you know, probably have about a $5 stop on it. Again, I'll be watching the underlying for this. If we break out to about 295, I'll probably just cut out of those puts, take whatever loss we have, probably be about 30% loss on those. So again, won't be going in with massive size. Reason we won't do massive size as well is we have tested this now twice. Don't want to be in for that third, and the third be the break. So again, smaller size, but I will be watching for that. Now, if we do break that though and push to the upside, 295 is that second deviation on the 1 year. And again, this is why I said that's roughly where our stop's going to be, because if we start to break above that, we don't really have any resistances for a while. Obviously, we've got the psychological 300, but apart from that, from a deviation perspective, it's quite a big move. So really just want to cut out those nice and quick if it doesn't work out right away. So this would be my main focus for now. Again, you can use these as a range as it's only about a $6 range, but yeah, just watching for this. More likely than not, considering we do have this strong momentum to the upside, we will probably hit this 289. And again, just watching how do we react to this, potentially looking for that short, and that target would be for main targets will be around 253 to 241. Not to say we won't lock in profits on the way, because again, that is a big move. We definitely want to be locking in profits. You know, these pullbacks here, if we didn't lock in any profits there, would have been relatively stupid. So we want to be locking in money on that pullback. But, you know, if we're holding, say, 10 contracts, we probably want to be holding 2 or 3 of those to at least kind of 253, potentially 241. So those are the key levels I'll be paying attention to. The resistance, support. If we did break this, we got an extreme breakout to the upside, I would be paying attention to 335. Don't think we would be breaking past this anytime soon, because that is our second deviation on the 6-month. It is our third deviation over on the 1 year. Really strong, solid layer of resistance. And even if we did come here, play the pullback, I think no matter what, really, we would get a pullback on this level. If we did break again, we would still be out of the trade. We would have still made money, even if it ends up breaking on that second move. Again, if it just is a straight breakout, would be rare, very unlikely to see. But again, we never know what could happen. So that is what I'd be paying attention to. This is really my ideal trading zone. If we can break here, this is probably where my best trading opportunity will come. So again, key resistances I'm paying attention to. We won't really name the support. We'll just name the closest one, which is 195. This is where I'd potentially be getting long if we pull back that far. But the main reason I say that is because we have statistical mean at around 253. So really, until we hit this, I'm not taking any longs. Or until we break below this, I'm not long biased on this stock, or at least not really looking to take longs, unless we get the break of the 295. Come back to test it as a support, and if it holds, then potentially could look to trend trade to that 335. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe? If you enjoyed it, why don't you check out this analysis as well?